channel. So, congratulations, you have decided to become a SAS programmer, or you haven't decided yet, you are just exploring what this SAS programming is all about. Don't worry, you are in the right place to learn, or just first to know what a SAS programmer is going to do, what is all this about. Once you complete this video, now you will be aware, okay, a SAS programmer, he does this kind of things, or yeah, I am more inclined to do this kind of work, so I am going to continue this one. Okay, I hope you will get more clarity by the end of this video. Please watch till the end of the video. Okay, coming to the introduction of SAS. So SAS is an analytics software. It has applications in financial sector, IT sector, clinical sector. So for any analytics software, and mostly the SAS, what it needs to do, what must be basic capabilities. The first step is access the data. So the SAS software must have the capability to access the data, and it has. So that data can be in certain databases like Oracle database, or it can be in a structured format in an Excel sheet, or it can be in an unstructured format like in a CSV file. So whatever and wherever the place it is there, by using certain procedure, we are getting that data into the SAS. The first step is the accessing that data. Once we access the data, next step is explore the data. So the data we get into the SAS may not have any consistency in it. Like for example, if you take the gender column and the table has some 10,000 rows. So when we first look into the table, we see that the gender is populated with male and female. But in some rows, in deep inside, which you are not aware, then you realize that some values are populated as M, or some are populated as F. The table lost its consistency. So as a programmer, once you get the data, the first step is you need to explore the data. For the exploration in SAS, we have certain procedures like SAS proc brick. By using frequency procedure, we will check what are the different values each variable consists of, and we will bring consistency to the data. Once the exploration is finished, the next step is prepare the data. So what is preparation of data? After the exploration also, the data you have is still the raw data. That is not analysis ready. You have to convert those data into the analysis ready data, or the prescribed form. So that step is called the preparing the data. Once you prepare the data, next is analyze and report the results. So here in this step, you will be doing building certain tables, certain graphs, doing descriptive statistics or inferential statistics. Such kind of data you will be performing on the data you have prepared. So is it complete? No, not yet. The data is still in the SAS software. It must be exported in the prescribed format, like it should be in a PDF, Word, or Excel, or PowerPoint. It should be exported there. So there are certain procedures which do the exporting the result. So if you observe, these are the 5 steps in the data analytics life cycle. Among all this, as a SAS programmer, we see this third step, preparing the data. This is the most important thing. of all these things. Not like the other things are unimportant, but as the more than 70 to 80% of the time, SAS programmer is involved in preparation of the data. Here, this is the place where he needs to apply logic. So, this is it. The next is how the now we are going to see how this course is going to be segmented. We have three modules. The first module is programming 1. In this programming 1, we will see the foundation. It is called the foundation. Here, you will learn all the SAS programming techniques that covers all these 5 steps, the basic steps. You cannot be expert with that one, but you will be aware how to access, how to explore, prepare, analyze, and export. All the basics of it you will be covered in the foundation part. In the second module, which is programming 2, you will be primarily focusing on the preparation step. I told you that preparation is the most important job of the SAS programmer. So this module is completely dedicated to the preparation. Okay, the third and last module is the program 3. In this programming third, sorry, it is called the advanced. In this advanced, you will see SQL, macros, arrays, etc. Okay, you will be learning these 3 things in the programming 3, third module. Okay, what is basis? So the first 2 will come under basis, and the third one will come under advanced side. So once you complete these 2 modules, you can go for basis certification, and you can start applying for jobs as a SAS programmer. You will be ready to go. Once these 2 are completed, you are ready to go as a SAS programmer. In some job postings, like mostly in the financial sector, they will require you to have an advanced SAS certification. Then only they will filter those candidates. For those people, you must go through the SQL macros and these advanced SAS topics also. Even for base SAS programmer, these 2 may be required for certification, but when you go for a job, you must have some basic knowledge of SQL macros, etc. compulsory, because you will be in a position to debug the programs, and the programmer who wrote the program may be using SQL and macros, and if you say that I don't know that, it won't work like that. So even in interviews also, they may ask you what are the different ways you can create macro, or some those things you must learn. Okay, that's it guys for this class. See you in the next class. Take care. Bye.